How to use Windows security tools in Windows 11, a step-by-step guide. Windows Security in Windows 11 offers a robust set of tools designed to protect your computer from a variety of threats. While it may not have as many features as some advanced anti-malware suites like Bitdefender, it does a solid job of safeguarding the average user from online dangers. In this guide, we'll walk you through each tool within Windows Security and how you can use them to enhance your PC's protection. 1. Virus and threat protection. What it does. This feature allows you to scan for viruses and other potential threats to your Windows 11 system. It includes tools for both preventing malware from infecting your computer and removing any that might have slipped through. How to use it. Open the Settings app on your PC. Go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. From here, you can run a quick scan to check for immediate threats or a full scan for a thorough examination of your entire system. You can also enable ransomware protection to safeguard important files from unauthorized changes. 2. Account protection. What it does. This tool helps you manage your account and sign-in security for Windows 11, including your Microsoft account, Windows Hello, and Dynamic Lock. How to use it. Open Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Click on Account Protection. Here, you can review and configure secure sign-in options like using a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Additionally, you can set up Dynamic Lock to automatically lock your PC when you're away by using Bluetooth devices. 3. Device performance and health. What it does. This feature monitors your computer's health and performance, including storage capacity, installed apps, and system updates. It also provides an option for a fresh start to reinstall and update Windows while keeping your files. How to use it. Open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Click on Device Performance and Health. Review the health report to check the status of your device's storage, apps, and Windows updates. If your computer is running slowly or having issues, consider using the Fresh Start option to reinstall Windows while preserving your files. 4. Family Options. What it does. Family Options give you tools to manage your children's digital lives, helping you to keep their devices secure and up to date while also protecting them when they're online. How to use it. Open Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Click on Family Options. Set up child accounts and configure parental controls to monitor their online activity, set screen time limits, and more. 5. Firewall and network protection. What it does. This tool helps manage your network security settings, including 3 different types of firewalls for domain, private, and public networks. How to use it. Open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. Ensure that the firewalls for all network types, domain, private, public, are enabled to protect your computer from unauthorized access. You can also configure specific apps to bypass the firewall if necessary by using the Allow an App through Firewall option. 6. Apps and browser control. What it does. This feature protects your PC from potentially dangerous apps, files, websites, and downloads via the Windows Defender Smart Screen. How to use it. Open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Click on Apps and Browser Control. You can configure settings to block potentially harmful content or allow trusted apps to run smoothly. This feature also includes options for controlling exploit protection to further secure your system. 7. Device security. What it does. Despite the name, this section is more about configuring security features like core isolation and memory integrity to protect your device from malicious attacks. How to use it. Open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Click on Device Security. Here, you can enable features like core isolation and memory integrity to protect against sophisticated attacks targeting high-security processes. Final thoughts. Windows Security is a powerful tool built into Windows 11, providing essential protection against a wide range of threats. By following the steps outlined above, you can ensure that your computer is well protected and running optimally.